Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to block a website on an iPhone in 2025. Whether you're a parent trying to keep kids safe online, or just someone looking to boost your productivity by cutting out distractions, this feature in the latest iOS updates is a game changer. It's quick, easy, and built right into your device. So, grab your iPhone, and let's get started. First things first, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version for 2025. This ensures you have all the newest privacy tools. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. It's that gray gear icon on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. This is your go-to spot for managing app and web usage. If you haven't set up a screen time passcode yet, you'll be prompted to do so now. It's like a security layer to prevent unauthorized changes. After that, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. This might ask for your passcode again, so go ahead and enter it. Now, toggle the switch to turn on Content and Privacy Restrictions if it's not already enabled. Next, scroll down to the Web Content section. Here, you have a few options. You can choose Limit Adult Websites for automatic blocking, or go for Specific Websites Only to customize your list. Let's say you want to block a specific site, like a social media distraction. Tap on Specific Websites, then hit Add Website, and type in the URL you want to block. You can add as many as you need. Once you've added your websites, exit out of Settings, and voila, those sites should now be blocked when you try to access them in Safari or other browsers. If you ever want to unblock them, just reverse the steps. Remember, this feature works across apps too, so it's great for overall digital wellness. There you have it, folks. Blocking websites on your iPhone in 2025 is straightforward and empowers you to take control of your online experience. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe online, and we'll see you in the next video.